Good morning, everybody. So, welcome to Max class once again. We'll just continue what we discussed in the last class. Okay. So, we are seriously discussing about the differential equations. Okay. Also, we have discussed that, various methods to solve the first order differential equation. The first one is variable separable. The second one is homogeneous differential equation. The third one we are discussing is called linear differential equation. As I told you earlier, this is one of the very important section, the linear differential equation. The linear differential equation is a very, very important section because so in your +2 level, if you are going to prepare for your entrance examinations, so this plays a very, very important role there. So that's why we have last class, we have discussed the linear differential equation. We solved some problems there. Today also, we are going to continue that. Still, we have some problems left out in here in the differential equations, linear differential equations. Okay. Now you take down the next problem. Shall we do now to solve the next problem? Okay. Solve. Please take down the next problem. Solve x plus y. Solve x plus a dy by dx minus 2y is equals to x plus a whole power 4. Solve x plus a dy by dx minus 2y is equals to x plus a whole power 4. So how to solve this? Actually, the differential equation, the linear differential equation is of the form, dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Here we have x plus a in front of dy by dx. So that I am dividing by x plus y, we can get dy by dx is equals to minus 2 divided by x plus a into y is equals to x plus a whole power 3, because throughout dividing by x plus a. Now okay, I can compare this with this two. P is equals to minus 2 divided by x plus a and q is equals to x plus a the whole cube. Isn't it? Your P is equals to minus 2 divided by x plus a and q is equals to x plus a the whole cube. Now you find out the integrating factor, which is equals to e power integral p dx. E power integral p is minus 2 divided by x plus a into dx. If you take minus 2 common, we can write this as dx divided by x plus a. Now we can write e power minus 2 integration of dx divided by x plus a. So what is the integration of dx divided by x plus a? Which is nothing but log of x plus a. Log ஈவையும் நம்ம கேன்சல் பண்ணலாம். எப்போ இங்க முன்னாடி எதுவுமே இல்லைனா. I'm just bringing this minus to the power rule, using the power rule. E power log x plus a whole power minus 2. Log cancel. We'll get x plus a whole power minus 2. We can write this as x plus a the whole square. 1 divided by x plus a the whole square. This is called integrating factor. Once you found out the integrating factor, we have to find out the general solution. How can you write the general solution? Y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c. This is the formula. This is the way to find out formula. Y என்றது என்னது? We have found out, y, we can keep as it is. E power integral p dx, we have found out that 1 divided by x plus a the whole square, which is equals to q. We have taken that q as x plus a the whole power 3 into x plus a the whole square dx plus a. This 2 will get cancelled. Therefore, integration of x plus a, your x plus a integration is called x plus a the whole square divided by 2 plus constant. Divided by 2 plus constant. So therefore, I can write x plus a the whole square divided by 2 plus c is the answer. Okay. I can write this as x plus a the whole square by 2 plus c. Because x plus a value is x plus a the whole square, I can write this as x plus a the whole square. That is the result. Okay. இன்னும் further நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா இதை இன்னும் simplify பண்ணலாம். அப்படியே விட்டுட்டாலும் okay தான், no problem. You can keep as it is. Okay, if you take LCM அதெல்லாம் பண்ணுவீங்க. அப்படி இல்லைன்னா அப்படியே விட்டுருங்க. Y divided by x plus a the whole square. Please take down. uh, uh, next one, solve the next problem. Solve dy by dx. Solve dy by dx is equals to sine squared x divided by 1 plus x cube minus 3x squared divided by 1 plus x cube into y. So actually differential equation, linear differential equation அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, this is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. எல்லாம் கவனிக்கிறீங்களா? You all listening? Please make some noise. Those who are listening,
Yes, sir.
please say yes, yes. Okay. So please all girls and boys listen. இப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட் நான் போட போற நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒரு 10 மினிட்ஸ் கழிச்சு நான் போட போற சம்ஸ்லாம் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். கண்டிப்பா +2 ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்றீங்க, எக்ஸாம் பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வியூல ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணும் பொழுது அந்த ப்ராக்டிக்கல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். டெஃபினெட்லி நான் போட போற ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்ல ஏதாவது ஒரு 5 மார்க்ஸ் கண்டிப்பா வரும். அதனால ப்ளீஸ் அலர்ட், பி அவேர் ஆஃப் தட், லிசன் கேர்ஃபுல்லி. ஓகே, அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் இட் கரெக்ட்லி. ஓகே, ஸோ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் இட் அக்யூரேட்லி and record correctly. Okay, these are the things you have to follow now. So now this is all very simple because we have discussed this in the earlier class last week. நம்ம இதெல்லாம் போட்டிருக்கோம். இப்போ இதை அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்போது இந்த y பார்ட் இந்த சைட் கொண்டு வந்துடணும். அப்போ dy by dx plus 3x squared divided by 1 plus x cube into y equals to sine squared x divided by 1 plus x cube. This is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. This is called a p. You can take p is 3x square divided by 1 plus x cube, and you can take q as sine squared x divided by 1 plus x cube. First of all, we have to find out the integrating factor, which is equals to e power integral p dx. So that we can write e power integral p 3x square divided by 1 plus x cube into dx. Integrating பாருங்க 1 plus x cube differentiate பண்ணுங்க, பாத்தீங்கன்னா 3x square இருக்குது. This is of the form integral f dash of x divided by f of x dx. Immediately I can say log f of x. Therefore I can write this as log of 1 plus x cube. Removing log and e, we can get 1 plus x cube. Now I can say the integrating factor is 1 plus x cube. Now the general solution is y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power p dx into dx plus c. Y, what is e power integral p dx? I can write this as 1 plus x cube equals to integral q. Q can be written as sine squared x divided by 1 plus x cube into e power integral p dx. E power integral integrating factor, which is equals to 1 plus x cube into dx plus c. This 2 will get cancelled. I can write y into 1 plus x cube. So we cannot integrate sine squared x directly. Therefore, using a trigonometric formula, we know that cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. அதனால இது எப்படி போடலாம் அப்படின்னா, sin squared x I can write this as 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. This is the formula derived from your trigonometric formulas, because we know that cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Side la போடுங்க, cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Okay, so we can write like that. So next we can write 1 minus cos 2x into dx, which is equals to integral 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So 1 by 2 is constant. Okay, now we can integrate plus c போடுங்க கூட, integration of வெறும் dx x minus cos 2x is integration is sin 2x Again, we have 2x, we have to divide by 2. இதெல்லாம் basic steps we have, where we studied in 11th standard. About y into 1 plus x cube is equals to 1 by 2 into x minus sine 2x divided by 2 plus c is the answer. Please take down. The next problem. Solve x dy by dx. Solve x dy by dx. Solve x dy by dx. Solve x dy by dx plus 2y minus x squared log x equal to 0. X dy by dx plus 2y minus x square log x is equals to 0. Okay. So now முன்னாடி x இருக்கு. Actually this is of the form எப்படி இருக்கணும், linear differential equation அப்படின்னு சொன்னா this is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Okay. Now arrange in order. X dy by dx plus 2y is equals to x square log x. Dividing throughout by x, this implies dy by dx plus 2 divided by x into y equals to x log x. Now you can take comparing with the linear differential equation form, your p is equals to 2 by x and your q is equals to x log x, isn't it? So your x is equals to x log x. Now I can write this as integrating factor. You find out the integrating factor, e power integral p dx, e power integral to a common artha dx by x, which is equals to e power 2 log x. We can write this as e power log x square. E and log cancel, therefore simply x square. That is called integrating factor. Now we can find out the general solution is y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power p dx dx plus c. I hope you all know that, right? So this is the formula to find out the linear differential equation. Now e power integral p dx is x square. Integral q, your q is equals to x into log x. Integral e power p dx, we can write this as x square into dx. Correct? X log x into x square into dx. You can write this as, okay, well, you can write this as, how can I write? So which is equals to x log x into x square into dx. You can write this as y x square is equals to x cube into log x dx. This is of the form u into dv. So integration by parts method. Okay, va? So integration by parts method, integration by parts method, you can take u is equals to x cube and dv is equal to, sorry, log x பண்ண முடியாது. அதனால u is equals to log x and v is equals to x cube into dx. So dv is equals to, du becomes 1 by x into dx. Integration of dv, v is equals to x power 4 by 4. The formula says that plus c constant, which is equals to yx square u v. What is u value? Log x into v is equals to x power 4 by 4 minus integral v. Your v is equals to x power 4 by 4 into du, which is equals to 1 by x into dx. X cancel ஆச்சுனா x cube. Now the automatically the problem over ஆயிடுச்சு. X power 4 by 4 into log x minus x power 3 dx. So 1 by 4 already இருக்கு. அப்போ x power 4 divided by 4, 4 4s are 16 plus c is the answer. That's all. பாருங்க. So this is another method. Next, solve the next problem. Are you all listening? புரியுதுங்களா? அடிச்சிட்டீங்களா? ரப் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? ரைட், ஓகேமா. நெக்ஸ்ட் போடலாம் பாருங்க. The next one is dy by dx. Solve dy by dx plus dy by dx plus 3y by x is equals to 1 by x square. dy by dx plus 3y by x is equals to 1 by x square. Given that y is equals to 2, x is equals to 1. Given that y is equals to 2 and x is equals to 1. So please listen. So actually the standard equation, or we can say the linear differential equation, is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Comparing with this, we'll get p is equals to 3 by x and q is equals to 1 by x square. Then immediately the integrating factor e power integral p dx. E power integral 3 taken common dx by x, which is equals to e power 3 log x. We can write this as e power log x cube, which means that your integrating factor is x cube. So what is the formula integral? uv dv is equals to, integration general solution formula. So next to the uv method, general solution formula is y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power p dx dx plus c. So which is equals to y e power integral p dx. You can write this as x cube. Q, what is q? 1 by x square into e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx is equals to x cube into dx plus c. So x squaring a cancel out. We can write this as y x cube is equals to x integrate panna x square by 2 plus constant. We have get the final equation. Final solution is y x cube is equals to x square by 2 plus c. This given that when x is equals to 1, your y is equals to 2. Substitute here, x is equals to 2, y equals to 2, x is equals to 1 cube 1 by 2 plus c. This implies c is equals to 2 minus 1 by 2, which is equals to 3 by 2. We have found out that your c is equals to c by 2, 3 by 2. Y x cube is equals to x square by 2, which is equals to, plus 3 by 2. Taking LCM cross multiply, 2y x cube or 2x cube y is equals to x square plus 3 is the required solution. Please take down. Girls, do you follow this? Any doubt? Boys, any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. Akshaya, Aditya, any doubt, ma? Varshini?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Adumita, Dania? Dania, is it any doubt with you?
No, sir.
Oh, right. Okay. We'll move on to the next problem. So far,
Yes, sir.
we have done the problems which is in your textbook. Now we are going to solve the problems which is an in-text problem. This is useful for your MCQ question. This is useful for your in-text problems which is not in your textbook, and also helpful for preparing those who are preparing for entrance examinations. Okay. So now we are going to solve some in-text problem. Then we are moving to the practical problems. Okay. That is very important section for your 12th standard syllabus. Okay. So please keep it in your mind. Telivar government, they are going to conduct the exam in offline mode, not online, and also know the skipping of examinations. And also even WHO also declared that there is no full lockdown. அதனால please aware of that. இந்த மாதிரிலாம் வரும்ன்ற எதிர்பார்க்காத, வந்தா வந்துட்டு போட்டோம், சந்தோஷம். ஸோ நிறைய பேர் அப்படி இருக்கும், ஐயோ லாக்டவுன் போட்டுருவாங்க, நம்ம ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிடலாம், நம்ம ஜம்ப் ஆயிடலாம், நம்ம தப்பிச்சிடலாம் அப்படிலாம் நினைக்காது. ப்ளீஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் ரிமெம்பர் தட் வாட் வி ஆர் லேர்னிங், வாட் யூ ஆர் ஸ்டடிங் நவ் இஸ் வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் இன் ஃபியூச்சர். இன்னையோட இது போயிடாது. கல்வி என்பது தொடர்ந்து வரும். இட்ஸ் அ வெரி, என்ன சொல்றது, கண்டினியூயிங் ப்ராசஸ். புரியுதுங்களா? இட் இஸ் அ கண்டினியூட்டி ஒன். அதனால டோன்ட் லீவ் இட், டோன்ட் டேக் இட் இஸ் அ லெத்தாஜிக் வே, அண்ட் டோன்ட் டேக் இட் இஸ் அ கேஷுவல். நம்ம பண்ணிடலாம் அப்படின்னு யார் பேச்சையும் கேட்காத. Be aware of that. There will be examination, 12th standard examination உண்டு. That is truly offline mode. டைரக்டா நேரடி தேர்வு தான் உண்டு அப்படின்னு போட்டாங்க. சரியா? அதனால டிக்ளரே வந்துருச்சு. அதனால அதுல எந்த மாற்றமும் இருக்காது. ஸோ அதே போல என்ட்ரன்ஸ் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் மிக விரைவில் வந்துடும். சரிங்களா? ஒன்லி ஜனவரி அண்ட் பிப்ரவரி தான் இந்த கொரோனா ப்ராப்ளம்லாம் இருக்கும். ஆஃப்டர் தட் இட் வில் பி கான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. அதனால பி அவேர் ஆஃப் தட். எப்படியா இருந்தாலும் நம்ம ஏப்ரல்ல ஃபேஸ் பண்ண வேண்டிய விஷயங்கள் இருக்கும். அதனால டோன்ட் ஸ்கிப், டோன்ட் ஜம்ப் எனிதிங். ஓகே, ப்ளீஸ் லிசன். ஆர் யூ ரெடி? நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் போலாமா?
Yes,
ப்ளீஸ்.
sir. Yes,
Right.
sir.
ஓகேம்மா. நெக்ஸ்ட் if the next problem, if dy by dx, if dy by dx plus 3 divided by cos squared x into y is equals to 1 by cos x cos squared x, where x belongs to minus pi by 3 comma pi by 3, and y of pi by 4 is equals to y of pi by 4 is equals to 4 by 3, then y of minus pi by 4 is equal to, then y of minus pi by 4 is equal to. So but டைரக்டாவே ப்ராப்ளத்துல எதுவுமே பண்ண தேவையில்ல. பார்க்கும்போது this is of the form dy by dx plus py equals to q. லோகேஸ்வர் இதுல p எதுப்பா? லோகேஸ்வர் or சாந்தினி, அர்ஷினி, இதுல p என்ன சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். நீங்க இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் நீங்க தான் சால்வ் பண்ண போறீங்க. டக்கு டக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டீங்கன்னா குயிக்கா போட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்கலாம். வாட் இஸ் p here? வர்ஷினி, தானியா?
3 by cos square x, sir.
Very good. 3 by cos squared x. And Logesh, what is q பா? லோகேஷ் இருக்கீங்களா? பார்த்தா இப்பதான் இருக்கிறீங்க நீங்க. ஸ்ரீவர்தனி, what is q மா? Which is equals to 1 by cos squared x. Okay, 1 by cos squared x. அப்போ we have taken p is 3 by cos squared x, q is equals to 1 by cos squared. Immediately we can find out your integrating factor e power integral p dx, which is equals to e power, what is p value? 3 divided by cos squared x into dx. We can take 3 common. 1 by cos squared x, we can write this as secant squared x into dx. Can anyone tell me what is the integration of secant squared x? Can anyone? Srivardhani, please சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Very simple integration. Integration of secant squared x. What is the integration of tan x? Differential. Verum tan x. Okay, good. Which is equals to, simply we can write this as tan x. I already told you integration is nothing but antiderivative. Whenever you differentiate tan x, it gives you secant squared x. அது அப்படியே integrate பண்ணீங்கன்னா we'll get that tan x. அப்போ therefore we can write this as e power 3 tan x. You can keep as it is, e power 3 tan x. Now the general solution is y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c. So y e power integral p dx, we can write this as e power 3 tan x, which is integral q 1 by cos squared x into e power integral p dx, which is equals to e power integral p dx e power 3 tan x into dx plus c. Now I can write y e power 3 tan x is equals to 1 by cos squared x into e power 3 tan x. Okay, so now it is purely substitution method. 1 by cos squared x எப்படி போலாம்னா secant squared x into e power 3 tan x into dx plus c. It is a substitution method. I can take u is equals to 3 tan x, or I can take simply tan x. 3 tan x இருக்கு, அதான் வெறும் tan x. Your du is equals to tan x differentiation is secant squared x into dx. அப்போ இந்த secant squared x dx க்கு பதிலா I can write this as du y e power 3 tan x is equals to integral e power 3u into du plus c. So e power 3u integration, again e power 3u, 3u க்கு முன்னாடி 3 நால you have to divide by 3. Differentiation multiply பண்ணுவோம், integration divide பண்ணுவோம், plus c. Now you substitute the value of u, will get y e power 3 tan x, which is equals to e power 3 tan x divided by 3 plus c. Idoda problem over avula. My question is y of pi by 4 equals to pi by 3, which means that when x is equals to pi by 4, your y is equals to 4 by 3. So I can write this as 4 by 3 e power 3 tan x. Tan is equals to pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is called 1, which is equals to tan pi by 4 is 1 by e power 3 by 3 plus c. Bring this side, we'll get c is equals to 4 e power 3 divided by 3 minus e power 3 by 3, which is equals to 3 e power 3 by 3. Simply I can write this as e power 3. We have found out that the value of c is e power 3. I can write this as y e power 3 tan x, which is equals to e power 3 tan x divided by 3 plus e power 3. This is it. Now we are going to find out the y of pi by 4. Sorry, y of minus pi by 4. The question is what is this is equals to y of minus pi by 4. I'll just rub the first step. Listen here, y of minus pi by 4, which means that which is equals to y into y of minus pi by 4 into e power 3 tan minus pi by 4. What is tan minus pi by 4, which is equals to minus 1? Therefore, because tan minus theta is minus tan theta, tan pi by 4 is minus 1. Already 3 is minus 3. Similarly, e power 3 tan x, tan minus pi by 4 is minus 1, which is equals to minus 3 by 3 plus e power 3. Now we have to do it y power minus pi by 4, which is equals to dividing throughout by e power minus 3. Minus 3 divide pana, which is equals to 1 divided by 3. The e power minus 3 applicam pana plus 3, e power 3 plus 3, which is equals to e power 6. Therefore, the answer of y power minus pi by 4 is equals to e power 6 plus 1 by 3 is the answer. Please take down. Please take down.
Sir,
We'll go for yes, ma. Any doubt?
sir, y of minus pi by 4 மட்டும் ஒரு வாட்டி நடத்துறீங்களா ப்ளீஸ்?
Right, ma. Okay. So up to நம்ம எப்படி c கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்னு தெரிஞ்சிச்சு இல்லையா? e power 3. We are substituting x is equals to 4, y equals to 4 by 3. We are getting that the c value is e power 3. Once we found out the c value is e power 3, the general solution becomes y e power 3 tan x, e power 3 tan x divided by 3. Okay, the whole tan x, e power 3 tan x divided by 3 plus 3. But here, now நமக்கு என்ன questionல y of minus pi by 4, which means that wherever x comes, you put minus pi by 4. அப்ப அதனால தான் y of minus pi by 4 நீங்க போடுறீங்க e power minus 3 tan minus pi by 4. Tan minus pi by 4 is minus 1. அதனால e power minus 3. Similarly, e power 3 tan minus pi by 4 is minus 1. அதனால e power minus 3 by 3 plus already e power 3 இருக்குங்க. எனக்கு தேவை வெறும் y power minus pi by 4. The y power minus pi by 4 கூட என்ன வந்திருக்கு e power minus 3. So that I am dividing throughout by e power minus pi by 3. இங்க ஒண்ணுமே இருக்காது. e power minus 3 ல கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். 1 தான் இருக்கும். e power minus 3 மேல போச்சுன்னா e power plus 3. பவர் ஆட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா e power 6 is the answer. Please take down. Next problem. Let y is equals to y of x. The next one. Let y is equals to y of x. The next problem. Let y is equals to y of x be the solution of the differential equation. Be the solution of the differential equation. X dy by dx plus y is equals to x log base x. X dy by dx plus y is equals to x log base x. Where x greater than 1 if 2 into y of 2 is equals to log base C4 minus 1. 2 into y of 2 is equals to log base C4 minus 1. Then y of e is equals to, that is the question. Please listen carefully. Okay. So you have to listen very, very carefully here. ரொம்ப சிம்பிள் ப்ராப்ளம் தான், புரிஞ்சிட்டீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப ஈஸி. பாருங்க, போன வாட்டி டைரக்டா கொடுத்துனா, இந்த வாட்டி எக்ஸ் இருக்கு. So that we are dividing by x. We'll get dy by dx plus 1 by x into y equals to x cancel. Simply we have x log x. Now I can take p is equals to 1 by x, your q is equals to log x. Your p is equals to 1 by x, your q is equals to log base c x. Now the integrating factor e power internal p dx, which is equals to e power dx by x, which is equals to e power log x. E and log will get cancelled. Simply we can write this as x. Then the general solution, your general solution is y e power internal p dx is equals to integral q e power p dx into dx plus c. Okay. So now how can I solve this? Use the substitute the value y into e power p dx, which is equals to x. Integral q, what is q value? Log base c x into dx, e power p dx, which is equals to e power p dx is equals to x dx plus c. It's a purely integration by parts method. Yeah, I can write this as u அப்படின்றத log x எடுத்துக்கிறேன், dv அப்படின்றத x dx எடுத்துக்கிறேன். Integrating and differentiating 1 by x into dx, integration of dv equals to v x square by 2. Now I can write x into y xy equals to u into v. Formula integration by parts 3 நினைக்கிறேன். Integral u dv equals to uv minus integral v du. U is log x. Your v is x square by 2 minus integral v du. Your v is equals to x square by 2. Your du is equals to 1 by x into dx. X cancel plus c. Therefore, integrating xy is equals to x square by 2 into log x minus, when least simply dx. X square integral by x square by 2. Already 2 is there, 4 plus c. It is given that, what is the things given here? Which is equals to 2 into y of 2 is equals to log base e4 minus 1. Correct? It is given that 2 into y of 2 is equals to log base e power 4. Correct? So which is equals to log base 2 into 4. If I am going to find out what is y of 2. Above x is 2. Wherever x comes, you can put 2. 2 into y is equals to 2 square 4 by 2, 2 log 2 minus x square by 4, 2 square 4, 4 by 4, 1 plus c. Okay. So from this we are going to find out the value of x is equals to 2. Yeah, y of 2 தான் நமக்கு தேவை, which is equals to 2 y of 2. அப்ப therefore plus c. Okay, which is equals to plus c. So we have to find out what is y of 2. அப்ப y of 2 is equals to, இதுல இருந்து கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். Y of 2 is equals to throughout dividing by 2. Throughout dividing by 2. அப்போ 2 log 2 வெறும் log 2 தான் வரும் இல்லையா? Because 2 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணா simply will get log 2 minus 1.
Sir,
சொல்லுமா.
xy is equal to x square by 2 log x minus x square by 2 தானே சார் வரும்?
ஆல்ரெடி 2 இருக்குல்லம்மா இங்க. x இன்டகிரேட் பண்ணா x square by 2 வரும். ஆல்ரெடி 2 is there. 2 into 2 4. இப்போ log 2 minus 1 by 2 plus c. So இப்போ y of 2 கண்டுபிடிச்சு வச்சிருக்கோம். பட் இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கான்? It is given that 2 into y of 2 is equals to log base c4. Log base c4 கூட போடலாம். 2 square. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணா 2 log 2 minus 1 ன்னு சொல்லலாம். இப்போ இங்க 2y of 2 இல்ல y of 2 கூட அப்படியே வச்சுங்க. இந்த ஸ்டெப் கூட அப்படியே வச்சுக்கலாம் நீங்க. ஏன்னா 2 into y of 2 தான் இதனுடைய வேல்யூ. ஆல்ரெடி 2 into y of 2 அங்க இருந்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அந்த வேல்யூ. அதுக்கு பதிலா நான் அந்த வேல்யூ போடலாம். 2 into y of 2 is equals to 2 log 2 minus 1 is equals to 2 log 2 minus 1 plus c. Minus 1 cancel. 2 log 2, 2 log 2 cancel. Therefore, c is equals to 0. எனக்கு கொஸ்டின் என்ன, what is y of e? அப்போ இருந்து y கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம், which is equals to y. xy is equals to, your xy is equals to x square by 2. xy is equals to x square by 2 into log x minus x power 2 by 4 plus c. c உடைய வேல்யூ 0. அதனால போகணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. I want to find out y. Throughout dividing by x, I'll get x by 2 log x minus x by 4. Correct? My question is, what is y of e? Wherever x comes, you put e there. So y of e, which is equals to e by 2, log e is 1, e by 4. Correct? E by 2 minus e by 4. Take LCM, we'll get 4. 2 times 2e minus e by 4. Therefore, y of e is equals to e by 4. That is the answer. Please take down. Next problem. Let y of x be the solution. The next one. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி சம்ஸ் தான் உங்களுடைய என்ட்ரன்ஸ் எக்ஸாம்ல கேட்பாங்க. வேற எதுவும் ரொம்ப டிஃபிகல்ட்டு, ரொம்ப வித்தியாசமெல்லாம் கேட்க மாட்டாங்க. இந்த லீனியர் டிஃபரன்ஷியல் ஈக்குவேஷன்ல தான் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் ரிப்பீட்டடா கேட்பாங்க. ஸோ அது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட், ரைட்? ஸோ அதனால அடுத்த ப்ராப்ளம் வருங்க. லெட் y of x, let y of x be the solution of the differential equation. Y of x be the solution of the differential equation x log x into dy by dx. X log x plus dy by dx plus y is equals to 2x log x. 2x log x, where x greater than or equals to 1. Okay, x log x dx dy by dx plus y equals to 2x log x. Actually, the linear differential equation and also question full complete பண்ணுங்க. Where y of 1 equal to 0, where y of 1 equals to 0, then y of e is equals to, then y of e is equals to, okay? So let y of x be the solution of the differential equation x log x dy by dx plus y is equals to 2x log x. Then y of e is equals to, now listen here, x log x dy by dx plus y equals to 2x log x. Now actually this is of the form dy by dx, எப்படி இருக்கணும், linear differential equation plus py equals to q. Now dividing throughout by x log x, which is equals to dy by dx plus y, that is 1 divided by x log x into y equals to x log x cancel, simply 2. From this I can say your p is equals to 1 by x log x and your q is equals to 2. Now integrating factor, which is e power integral p dx, which is e power integral dx divided by x log x. அப்ப பாருங்க, நான் சப்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் மெத்தட்ல போடுறேன். t is equals to log x அப்படின்னு சொன்னா your dt is equals to dx by x. அப்ப இது எப்படி போடலாம், e power integral dx by x is t dt. Your log x is t, we can simply write log t. Therefore the answer is simply t. The integrating factor is Verum t, but we have taken t is log x. Now we know the general solution. Your general solution formula is y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power p dx dx plus c. Your y into e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx is equals to log x is equals to integral q. What is q value? 2 into e power integral p dx, which is nothing but log x into dx plus c. So I can write y log x into 2. Once again, integration by parts method. How can I write one integration by parts method? Now, you can take u is equals to log x, your dv is equals to dx. Du is equals to dx by x, that is called 1 by x by x. 1 by x by x into dx. Integral dv, your v is equals to x. The formula says 2 into u into v, that is called x into log x, minus integral v du, your v is x, into your du is equals to 1 by x into dx. X cancel, plus constant. Your y log x is equals to 2 into x log x, minus integration of dx is x, x into 2, which is equals to 2x, plus constant c. According to the problem, it is given that y of 1 equal to 0, which means that when I put x is equals to 1, your y is equals to 0. X is equals to 1, y equal to 0. This becomes 0. Log 1 is 0. 0 minus 2 into 1, 2 plus c. Then gives you c is equals to 2. Y log x, therefore 2x log x minus 2x plus 2. So this is the general solution of the given problem. But we want to find out what is y of e. Okay, therefore we have to put dividing through it by log x. Y of 2, sorry, y of e into log of e, 2 into e into log of e minus 2 into e plus 2. Okay, so now listen here, which is equals to log of e is 1. Therefore, y of e is equals to log of e is 2, 2e minus 2e plus 2. Therefore, 2e minus 2e cancel. This implies that y of e is equals to 2. Once again, you want me to repeat again? Anybody? மறுபடியும் சொல்றேன் கவனிங்க. So it is given that solve x log x plus dy by dx plus y equals to 2x log x. First of all, இதை solve பண்ணிடுங்க. Then use the given condition. Solve பண்ணோம்னா that differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to c. இங்க dy க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்கு அப்படின்னா we can see x log x. So that we are throughout dividing by x log x, the equation becomes dy by dx plus 1 by x log x plus y equals to 2. This is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. From this, I am picking p is equals to log x, 1 by x log x, and q is equals to 2. First of all, we have to find out the integrating factor. The integrating factor is nothing but e power integral p dx. We are getting that dx by x log x. Substituting t is equals to log x, we will get e power integral dt by t, which is equals to e power log t. The answer is t. Instead of t, I am putting log x. Now we have easily found out the value of integrating factor, which is that log x. But according to this problem, we have to write the solution. The solution should be in the form y e power integral p dx q e power into p dx. E power p dx is nothing but log t, log x, which is equals to 2 into log x dx plus c. Since we have log x, we cannot integrate log x. So that I am using the integration by parts method, so that I am taking u is equals to log x and dv is equals to dx. Right? Then du is equals to 1 by x dx, v is equals to x. The integration by parts method says that uv minus integral v du, u into v, which is equals to x log x minus integral v du, v is x, and du is equals to 1 by x into dx. And integrating will get x, முன்னாடி 2 இருந்தால் 2 ஆல multiply பண்றேன். But my given thing condition is when x is equals to 1, y equal to 0, we are finding that c is equals to 2. Substituting c is equals to 2, we'll get the general solution y log x equal to 2 log x, x log x minus 2x plus 2. My question, what to find? We have to find out y of e. Wherever x comes, you can put e. The log e is 1, therefore log e is 1. 2e minus 2e get cancelled. Therefore, y of e is equals to 2. Please take note. We'll do the next problem. Next problem, please take down the next one. Let y is equals to y of x. Let y is equals to y of x. Let y is equals to y of x. Y is equals to y of x. Be the solution of the differential equation sin x dy by dx plus y cos x is equals to 4x. X belongs to 0 comma pi. X belongs to 0 comma pi. X belongs to 0 comma pi. If y of pi by 2 is equals to 0, if y of pi by 2 equal to 0, then y of pi by 6 is, okay. So it is given that y is equals to y of x be the solution of the differential equation sin x dy by dx plus y cos x is equals to 4x. X belongs to 0 comma pi. If y of pi by 2 equal to 0, then y of pi by 6 is equals to. Listen carefully. ஒன்னும் போன வாட்டி போட்ட மாதிரி தான், பட் இங்க என்ன இருக்குன்னா sin x வருதுனால we have to divide by sin x. What happens? This becomes dy by dx plus cos x by sin x. I can write this as cos x by sin x is cot x. Cot x into y, which is equals to 4x divided by sin x. Now, this is of the form, the linear equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Now you compare, your p is equals to cot x and your q is equals to 4x divided by sin x. Now you find out the integrating factor, which is e power integral p dx, which is e power integral p dx. What is p value? Cot x into dx. Can anyone tell me? Srivardhani, Arshini, Logeshwar, யாராவது கேளுங்க, வேற என்ன நேம் சொல்லுவா? அக்ஷயா, சரஞ்சித், ஜீவா, யாருமே இல்லையா? Dania, what is the integration of cot x, ma?
Log sin x, sir.
Very good. Log sin x, which is equals to log of sin x. Therefore, I can write e log cancel. Simply, I can write this as sin x. The general solution formula is y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power p dx into dx plus c. Now, y e power p dx. E power p dx is equals to sin x. Q, we have taken that as 4x divided by sin x into e power p dx sin x into dx plus c. Sin x can cancel. Y sin x, integration of 4, x integrate panna x square by 2. 2 வந்து 2 times போகும் plus c. We'll get the solution as y sin x is equals to 2x square plus c. Once when the sub problem is complete, if you substitute y of pi by 2 equal to 0, when x is equals to pi by 2, your y is equals to 0, which means that y of pi by 2 into sin 0, the x equal pi by 2 போடுங்க. The sin pi by 2 is called 1. கரெக்டா? ஏன்னா x equal sorry, x equal pi by 2 போடுற y உடைய வேல்யூ 0, அப்போ whole part is 0 ஆயிடும். x equal pi by 2 போடுற 2 into pi square pi 4 plus c. 2 cancel ஆயிடும். This implies that c is equals to minus pi square by 2. So we'll get c is equals to minus pi square by 2. Therefore, the solution is y sin x is equals to 2x square minus pi square by 2. My question is, what is the value of y of pi by 6? Y of pi by 6 means wherever x comes, you put sin pi, pi by 6. 2 into pi by 6, that is pi square divided by 36 minus pi square by 2. 2 and it will go 18 times. Sin pi by 6. What is sin 30 degree? Anyone? What is sin 30 degree? Which is equals to 1 by 2 pi square by 18 minus pi square by 2. So now we can write y of pi by 6 is equals to 2 into pi by square by simplify into 1 by 2. So take LCM. 18 is the LCM. Therefore, I can say 18 minus pi by square, pi square by 2, which is equals to 18 pi square minus 2. 9 times power, yeah. So therefore, 9 minus 9 pi square by 18 minus 9 pi square by 18, which is equals to y of pi by 6 into 1 by 2 is equals to minus 8 pi square by 18. So 2 and the 18 9 times power. Therefore, y of pi by 6 is equals to minus 8 pi square by 9. Please take down y of pi by 6 is equals to minus 8 pi square by 9. Now we are going to do some practical problems. Okay. Otherwise, we can say applications of differential equations. சரியா? Linear differential equations பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தோம். Ordinary differential equation how to apply, how to use, find out the first order differentiation, solution of first order differential equation using a linear differential equation. We'll stop that. Now, we'll continue with the applications of differential equation. That is practical problems involved in the differential equation. Please, are you ready for that? Are you all ready? Next one, practical problems. இதுதான் உங்களுடைய 5 marks, ரொம்ப important. சரிங்களா? இந்த கிளாஸ்லயும் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்லயும் ஃபுல்லா அதான் போட போறோம் completely. So stay, it is completely focused on your +2 syllabus. ஏன்னா ஒரு 5 marks ஷூரா வந்துரும். ஓகேவா? I just அதுலயே உங்களுக்கு எது இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் சொல்றேன் பாருங்க. வெரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம், யூ ஆல் லிசனிங். நீங்க எல்லாம் கவனிக்கிறீங்கன்னு சொன்ன உடனே தான் நான் ப்ராப்ளம் போடுவேன். ஏன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் புரிஞ்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் டக் டக் டக்னு எல்லா ப்ராப்ளமும் கண்டினியூவா போடலாம். Are you all ready for that? Please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes,
take down. This is from your textbook. Okay, exercise 10.8. Take down the first problem. The rate of increase in the number of bacteria. The rate of increase in the number of bacteria in a certain bacteria culture. The rate of increase in the number of bacteria in a certain bacteria culture is proportional to the number present. The rate of increase in the number of bacteria in a certain bacteria culture is the proportional to the number present. Given that the number triples in 5 hours, given that the number triple in 5 hours, find how many bacteria will present after 10 hours. Okay, please listen the question very carefully. So always remember that whenever you are solving the practical problems, whenever you are solving the numerical problems, the statement problems, always remember, read the question carefully. The rate of increase in the number of bacteria in a certain bacteria culture is proportional to the number present, which means that if I take A be the bacteria present, A be the bacteria present at any time t, then condition given that the rate of increase in the number of bacteria in a certain bacteria culture is proportional to the number present, which means that your dA by A is proportional to A in pola. That's condition. First condition given, we can write this as dA by A, okay, is proportional to dA by A dA by dt with respect to time dA by dt is proportional to A. Okay, that's question. The rate of increase in the number of bacteria in a certain bacteria culture is proportional to the number present. About dA by dt, rate of change of இது எதுக்கு proportional இருக்கு? அந்த A க்கு, number of bacteria present at any time. அடுத்து given that the number of triple in 5 hours, find how many bacteria will present after 10 hours. First of all, இதை வந்து ஒரு நார்மல் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸா கொண்டு வரணும். அதாவது வந்து சால்வ் பண்ணணும். எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ண முடியும்னா வேரியபிள் செப்பரபிள் மெத்தட்ல யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். இது வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆர்டர். இந்த கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டை ரிமூவ் பண்ணோம்னா TA by dt is equals to K into E. இந்த ப்ரொபோர்ஷனாலிட்டியை ரிமூவ் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு இந்த K is called proportionality constant. Now நம்ம வேரியபிள்ஸை செப்பரேட் பண்ணணும். dA by A is equals to K dt. Now variables are separated, integrating on both sides, which is equals to log A is equals to KT plus C. I want to find out A, which is equals to E power KT plus C. Correct? Logarithm by E power. You can write this as E power KT into E power C. E power C is also constant. I mentioned this by capital C. Therefore, your A value becomes capital C into E power KT. So this is the solution we have found out using the differential equations. Your A is equals to C E power KT. Listen carefully. First question, given that the number triples in 5 hours, given that number triples in 5 hours. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி பாருங்க, இனிஷியலா டைம் என்ன இருக்கும்? 0 இருக்கும். இனிஷியலி எப்பொழுதுமே ஞாபகம் வச்சு, இனிஷியலி when t equals to 0, that is called initial period. A என்பதை I am taking this as A0. அப்போ when I put A is equals to A0, your t is equal to 0. Anything for 0 is 1. அப்போ C, your C is equals to A0. அப்போ equation 1 எப்படி ஆயிடும்னா 1 becomes A is equals to A0 C E power KT. ஏன் இதை A0 இனிஷியல் பீரியட் இருக்குன்னா இங்க கொடுத்துருக்கான் 5 மணி நேரம் கழிச்சு the number triples 3 மடங்கு ஆயிடுது. அப்ப என்ன அர்த்தம்னா given when t is equals to 5, your amount becomes initial amountல இருந்து 5 times increase ஆயிடுது. அப்ப 5 times of A0. அப்ப A என்ற அமௌண்ட் வந்து 5 முறை இனிஷியல் அமௌண்ட் A 5 times of A0 ஆக மாறி விடுகிறது. சரிங்களா? which is equals triples. Sorry, triples na 3 times. 3 times of A0. அப்போ you can put A is equals to 3 A0 when t is equals to 5. Your A0 into, sorry, AC வரக்கூடாது, A0 E power KT. T உடைய value 5. E power 5K. A0 cancel. E power 5K is equals to 3. Take this as equation 2. E power 5K is equals to 3. Now, what is the question here? The question we have to find out how many bacteria will present after 10 hours. T 10 இருக்கும் பொழுது amount எவ்வளவுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அதான் question. Your amount இந்த இடத்துல பாருங்க, A is equals to A0 E power K. So A is equals to A0 into E power KT. So E power 5K, இல்லையா, which is equals to E power 5K. இப்போ எனக்கு 10K இருக்கு இல்லையா, E power 10K ன்னு வரும். ஏன்னா T க்கு பதிலா 5 போடும். அப்போ A is equals to A0 E power 10K எப்படி போடலாம் அப்படின்னா E power 5K the whole square. கரெக்டா? your A is equals to A0 10 power K. அப்போ என்ன அர்த்தம் அப்படின்னா we can write this as A is equals to A0 into E power 5K from 2 which is equals to 3 square 9. your A is equals to 9 A0. அப்போ என்ன அர்த்தம்னா இனிஷியல் டைம்ல என்ன இருந்துச்சோ amount of bacteria after 10 hours it will 9 times. அப்போ நம்ம கொஸ்டின் என்ன சொல்லலாம், hence the amount of bacteria will present after 10 hours is 9 times the initial amount. After 10 hours, the amount of bacteria increases 9 times its initial amount. 9 times its initial amount. That is the answer. Please, once again, I'll repeat. Please, no need to take down a time. எழுதிங்க பாருங்க, இங்க அழகா கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. First, the rate of increase in the number of bacteria in a certain bacteria culture is proportional to the number present, which means that if I taken A is the bacteria at any time, number of bacteria present at any time, then immediately according to the problem I can write the mathematically I can express dA by dt is proportional to A. Whenever we are remove the proportionality and we have to introduce the constant called K, therefore I can write dA by dt is equals to K into A. Now using the first order differential equation, variable separable method, separating the variables a in one term and the k in next term, we can get dA by a is equals to k into dt. Integrating on both sides, we'll get log a is equals to kt plus c. We want only the amount a. Your a is equals to bring e power kt plus c. I can write this as e power c as a constant. Therefore, c e power kt. This is the first equation where this is the just solution we are found out by the given differential equation. Now, this is the solution. Using the solution, according to the condition given in the problem, we are going to solve the problem. First step, initially, the amount, I don't know, எவ்வளவு இருக்குன்னு அதை வந்து a naught நானே ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன் initial amount. அப்போ when t equal to 0, I can put a is equals to a naught. From that, we have found out that c is equals to a naught. C க்கு பதிலா a naught substitute பண்ணீங்கன்னா, I'll get the equation becomes a equals to a naught e power kt. Now it is given that after 5 hours, the bacteria will triple the initial percent, which means that a becomes 3a naught when t equals to 5. Substituting will get e power 5k is equals to 3. My question, according to the question, we have to find out the bacteria present after 10 hours, which means that I'm putting t is equals to 10 in the equation. We'll get a is equals to a naught e power 10k. So 10k எப்படி பண்ணலாம் 5k the whole square. ஏன்னா e power 5k க்கு எனக்கு வேல்யூ இருக்கு 3. If I put 3, we'll get a is equals to 9a naught. So after 10 hours, the amount of bacteria increases 9 times its initial amount present. Please take down. So amount of bacteria present 10 மணி நேரம் கழிச்சு எவ்வளவு இருக்கு after 10 hours, amount of bacteria present is 9 times its initial amount. 9 மடங்கு அதிகமாயிடுச்சு. காஃபியை வாங்கி சுட சுட வச்சுட்டு டீயை வாங்கி ஒரு 2 மணி நேரம் கழிச்சு 1 ஹவர் கழிச்சு ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் போட்டுட்டு நான் பாக்குறேன் கொஞ்சம் அதனுடைய டெம்பரேச்சர் குறைஞ்சிருக்கும் இல்லையா திரும்பியும் மறுபடியும் அதே கொஞ்சம் ஆஃப் ஆஃப் த டீயை சாப்பிட்டு மீதி வச்சிருக்கிறேன் ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் ஐ சால்வ் அண்ட் அகைன் ஐ ஜஸ்ட் ஹேவ் மை டீனா இன்னும் டெம்பரேச்சர் குறைஞ்சிருக்கும் திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் இன்க்ரீசிங் அண்ட் டிக்ரீசிங் இது வந்து டிப்ரெஷன் டிக்ரீசிங் இப்போ நம்ம போட்டுக்கிறது இன்க்ரீசிங் இல்லையா பாக்டீரியா இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்குது பாக்டீரியாவோட கல்ச்சர் ஈஸ்ட் கல்ச்சர் சாரி பாக்டீரியாவுடைய ப்ரொடக்ஷன் வந்து அதிகரிச்சுனே வருது ஆரம்பத்துல ஏ0 இருந்துச்சு 5 ஹவர்ஸ் கழிச்சு அது 3 மடங்கா மாறிச்சு 10 ஹவர்ஸ் கழிச்சு அது 9 மடங்கா மாறிச்சு இது வந்து இன்க்ரீசிங் சில ப்ராப்ளம் டிக்ரீசிங்ல போடுவோம் நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் So take down the next problem. Find the population of a city at any time t. Find the population of a city at any time t. Given that the rate of increase of population, given that the rate of increase of population is proportional to the population at that instant, proportional to the population at that instant, and that in a period of 40 years, and that in a period of 40 years, and that in a period of 30 years, Okay. Period of 40 years, the population increased from 3 lakh to 4 lakh. Increased from 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs. Okay. So 40 வருட பீரியட்ல 3 லட்சத்துல இருந்து 4 லட்சத்துக்கு போயிடுது. சரிங்களா? ஓகே, ஒரு சின்ன கிராமம் ஒன்று இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, ஒரு வில்லேஜ் ஆர் ஒரு சிட்டி, ஒரு டவுன், ஏதாவது ஒரு டவுன் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு வச்சுக்கலாமே. ஓகே, ஸோ நவ் we have taken that a small town. ஓகேவா? ஸோ அந்த டவுனுடைய டோட்டல் பாப்புலேஷன் இனிஷியலி 3 lakhs இருக்கு. 40 years கழிச்சு that becomes 4 lakhs. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கொடுத்தா, the population of a city at any time t, given that the rate of increase of population is proportional to the population in that instant. நான் என்ன பண்றேன், p, let p denote the population at a city. சரிங்களா? at a city at instant time, இல்ல எது ஒன்று denote the population at a city. According to the problem, it is given that dp by dt is proportional to the population. If I can dp by dt is proportional to p, you can write this as removing the proportionality constant. db by dt is equals to k into p. Now you can separate the variables. dp by p is equals to k into dt, which becomes dp by p is equals to log p is equals to kt plus c. We have p is equals to e power kt plus c, which is equals to c into e power kt. Now your p is equals to c e power kt. அதான் நம்ம எப்படி போட்டோம் அப்படின்னா, e power kt plus e power c, sorry, into e power c. அந்த e power c ஏதாவது கான்ஸ்டன்ட், big capital constant key c ஆ போட்டோம், e power kt. Let us take this as equation number 1. ப்ராப்ளம் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கான், இனிஷியலா கொடுக்கல, நம்மளே எடுத்துக்க போறோம். 3 லட்சத்துல இருந்து 4 லட்சத்துக்கு மாறுது இந்த 40 வருஷம் கேப்ல. அப்ப இனிஷியலி ஆரம்ப காலகட்டத்துல அந்த பாப்புலேஷன், சிட்டியுடைய பாப்புலேஷன் should be 3 lakhs. When t is equals to 0, your p is equals to 3 lakhs. Okay, so therefore I can put 3 lakhs, which is equals to e power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. C, your c is equals to 3 lakhs. Therefore p becomes, p is equals to 3 lakhs. Okay, e power kt. So population கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு, which is equals to 3 lakhs e power kt. Let us take this equation 2. Now second என்ன கொடுத்துட்டா, population 4 lakhs க்கு போயிடுச்சு இல்லையா? population is 4 lakhs. எப்போ? a period of 40 years. அப்போ when given that t is equals to 40, your population is equals to 4 lakhs. Okay, your population is 4 lakhs. அப்போ கம்பேர் பண்ணுங்க, will get your p is equals to 4 lakhs. 2ல போடுறேன், 0 0 0 4 0 5 0, 3 lakhs into e power kt. So 5 zeros cancel. 4 by 3 equals to e power kt. I want to find out the t value. அப்ப என்ன அர்த்தம்னா, e power kt இருக்கு இல்லையா, e power kt is equals to, இந்த log அப்படிங்க போனா log 4 by 3. எனக்கு என்ன கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க, according to the problem we want to find out the population p. இதுல இருந்து எனக்கு k கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். what is the value of k value? அப்ப e power k is equals to kt. So e power kt is equals to, sorry தப்பா போட்டோம், kt is equals to log 4 by 3. From this நான் என்ன பண்ணனும்னா k கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். k is equals to 1 by 2 into log of 4 by 3. So your k is equals to 1 by 2 log of 4 by 3. My question is, what is the population? Question adana கேட்டிருக்கா, என்ன கேட்டிருக்கா, find the population of a city at time t. ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் t வச்சு நம்ம ஃபார்ம் பண்ணோம். அப்ப p கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், k உடைய வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. your p is equals to 2ல எதுமே சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணோம், 3 lakhs. ஓகே, e power kt, e power k உடைய வேல்யூ என்னது, 1 by t into log of 4 by 3 into t. சரியா? e power kt, which is equals to, சொல்லுங்கம்மா.
So t is equal to 40. Substitute பண்ணனும் sir.
Oh, sorry, keep on. Thank you. Thank you very much. It is equals to e power 40k. அப்போ 40k t க்கு பதிலா 40 எழுதுறோம். So therefore t is equals to 40, k is equals to 1 by 40 into log 4 by 3. So we want to find out the population. Therefore, now the population p is equals to 3 lakhs into e power kt. Your k is 1 by 40 into log 4 by 3 into t. So that is the answer. So the population is 3 lakhs into 4 by 3 log 4 by 3 t by 40. Okay, please take down. அல்ல இந்த லாக கூட இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கொண்டு வரலாம். இந்த பவர் 40 மேல போயிடுச்சுன்னு வச்சுங்க பவர்ல. அப்போ which is equals to p is equals to 3 log. e log எப்பொழுதும் கேன்சல் ஆயிடல e பவர். இந்த 1 by 4 t வந்து 40 வந்து மேல பவர்ல கொண்டு போயிடலாம். அப்போ 1 by 40. அப்போ e பவர் log 4 by 3 into 1 by 40 அப்பனா which is equals to t by 40. So log இதுவும் கேன்சல் ஆயிடும் இல்லையா? So therefore we can get 3 lakhs. அப்படியே விட்டாலும் தப்பு இல்லை. 4 by 3 or t by 40. That is the answer. Please take down. One more problem. We'll solve one more problem. Please quick எழுதிங்கன்னா அடுத்த ப்ராப்ளம் போட்டுடலாம். The engine of a motorboat moving at 2 meter per second. The engine of a motorboat moving at 2 meter per second. Sorry, 10 meter per second. Sorry, 10 meter per second. Is shut off. Given that the retardation at any subsequent time, within bracket la போட்டுங்க, after shutting off the engine, which means we switch off the engine. After shutting off the engine, given that the retardation at any subsequent time after shutting off the engine equal to the velocity after 2 seconds, equal to the velocity at that time. Find the velocity after 2 seconds of switching on the engine. Find the velocity after 2 seconds of switching off the engine. Okay, the engine of a motorboat having 10 meter per second is shut off. Given that the retardation at any subsequent time after shutting off the engine equal to the velocity at that time. Find the velocity after 2 seconds of switching off the engine. பாருங்க இங்க retardation ஒன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. What is the meaning of retardation அப்படினா? This is a reverse of acceleration. Acceleration உடைய opposite. அப்போ acceleration கண்டுபிடிச்சு அதுக்கு மைனஸ் போட்டீங்கன்னா உடனே அது retardation தான். Velocity, the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Where we studied in differentiation நான் கொடுத்திருக்கிறேன். Rate of change of velocity is acceleration. இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்றேன்? I am just taking v be the velocity. I'm just taking v be the velocity. And retardation அப்ப எப்படி தெரியுமா இருக்கும்? acceleration தான் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். velocity v அப்படின்னு சொன்னா dv by dt is acceleration. அப்ப retardation is opposite to that. Therefore I can say minus dv by dt. இங்க என்ன கொடுத்தா the retardation is proportional to the velocity. According to the problem, the retardation is proportional to the velocity, which means that the retardation is minus dv by dt is proportional to v, or dv by dt is proportional to minus v. Remove the constant, remove the proportionality. Therefore, we have to implement the constant. dv by dt is equals to minus k into v. As usual, the procedure, regular procedure, variables are separate. dv by v is equals to minus k into dt. Integrating on both sides, we'll get log v is equals to minus k into t. dv by dt minus k into t plus c. Okay, so we can write this as log v is equals to minus k into t, that is minus t, minus k into t. Sorry, proportional கொடுக்கலமா equal to கொடுத்தனா, sorry, proportional இல்லைங்க, அப்ப equal னு கொடுத்துட்டா, அப்ப you can write directly minus v integrating dv by v is equals to minus dt. அப்ப I can write this as which is equals to log v equals to minus t. இங்க வந்து எல்லாத்துலயும் log வரதுனால I can put this as log c. அப்படியே கூட வச்சுக்கலாம், தப்பு கிடையாது. log c இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வந்தா we'll get log v minus log c is equals to minus t. So log m minus log n will get log v by c equals to minus t. So v by c is equals to the log other side poda e power minus t. v by c equals to e power minus t. I want to find out what is v. Your v is equals to c, capital C, c e power minus t. Let us take this as equation 1. இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, listen carefully. Initially the velocity, the engine of motor boat moving at 10 meter per second. About time t ல இருக்கும்போது the velocity என்ன இருக்குன்னா 10 meter per second. சரிங்களா? அப்போ t க்கு பதிலா 0 போடுவேன், v க்கு பதிலா 10 போடுவேன். Anything power 0 which is equals to 1, your c is equals to 10. The equation becomes, the velocity becomes v is equals to c with a value 10 e power minus t. Take this as equation 2. எனக்கு என்ன question கேட்டிருக்காங்க, what is the question given here which I find out that v is equals to 10 e power minus t. The question is find the velocity after 2 seconds of switching off the engine. 2 நிமிஷம் switch off engine கழிச்ச பிறகு அதோட velocity என்ன இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்க்கறாங்க. நல்லா கவனிச்சுங்க, வண்டி ஆஃப் பண்ண பிறகு வண்டி மூவ் ஆகும், 10 மீட்டர் செகண்ட்ல போயிருக்கு, we can switch off the engine. ஸ்விட்சின் எச் ஆஃப் என்ஜாய்னாலும் அந்த ஆக்சிலரேஷன் ரிட்டார்டேஷன் ஆக்சிலரேஷன் குறைச்சிட்டே வந்து ஒரு ஸ்டாப்ல போய் நிற்கும் இல்லையா? எப்போ? when the velocity becomes 0, that is called rest point. velocity இருக்கு, 2 நிமிஷம் கழிச்சு velocity என்னன்னு கேக்குறான். அப்ப when t is equals to 2, what is the velocity of the engine? அப்போ when t is equals to 2, this becomes your velocity v is equals to 10 e power minus 2. Correct? Wherever t comes, you put 10 e power 2. Therefore, your velocity is equals to 10 e power 2 e square divided la kondu varumbodhu d square. So velocity nala we can write this as meter per second. That is the answer. Please take note. So with this we'll stop today. We'll continue in the next class. So please kindly cooperate with me. This section, this 10-point exercise is one of the very, very important. Probably சொல்றேன், ஒரு sure 5 marks. அதுல எந்த டவுட்டும் கிடையாது. நீங்க மேக்ஸிமம் நம்பர் ஆஃப் டைம்ஸ் வந்து உங்க எக்ஸாம் எது கண்டக்ட் பண்ணாலும் பாருங்க, இது இல்லாம இருக்காது. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு வந்து நியூ சிலபஸ் ஒரு 2 years பேக் வந்து ஓல்டு சிலபஸ்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த பிராக்டிகல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இன் டிஃபரன்ஷியல் ஈக்குவேஷன் இல்லாத கொஸ்டின் பேப்பரா இருக்க முடியாது. 10ல 9 கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர்ல இருந்துருமா. அதனால that much important, that much weightage is given to these practical problems in differential equation. இதுக்கு வெறும் சிம்பிள் வேரியபிள் செப்பரபிள் மெத்தட் மட்டும் தெரிஞ்சிருந்தா போதும், ஈஸியா போட்டுடலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீங்க என்ன பண்ண வேணும், கொஸ்டினை நல்லா ரீட் பண்ணணும், லிசன் பண்ணணும். ஒரு முறைக்கு 2 முறை கொஸ்டினை ரீட் பண்ணி அதை என்ன திங்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, வாட் ஆர் த டேட்டாஸ் ஆர் கிவன், ஓகே, வாட் ஆர் த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கிவன் இன் தட் ப்ராப்ளம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அதை அப்சர்வ் பண்ணீங்க, அதை கிராப் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் we can solve the problem. So please take down. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So with this we'll stop today. We'll continue in the next class. Before we leaving the class, before we are leaving, we are wind up in the class. A small request, please go through. வீட்ல லாக்டவுன் அது இதுன்னு லீவு, நிறைய பொங்கல் ஹாலிடேஸ் அது இதுன்னு வந்தா கூட please don't waste your time. Okay, So this is a precious time. We have to make the opportunity. புரியுதுங்களா? ரெண்டாவது டார்கெட்டை ரீச் பண்ணா we must have some strategy ன்னு சொன்னேன். So there should be a lot of difference between you and other students. So the achievers are always different. We have a unique qualities among other students. அதனால so don't waste your time by watching TV or using mobile phones and அதெல்லாம் தேவையே இல்லாது. ஏற்கனவே சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, if you enjoy the first half of the life, you will be suffer a lot in the second half of the life. If you suffer a lot, if you put all the efforts in the first half of the life, you can live like a king or a queen in the next half of the period. With this, I'll just wind up the class. We'll see you in the next class. Please, any doubt, you can clarify with my WhatsApp chat or anything. Whatever, like you can personally, you can contact me also, no problem. With this, we'll stop today. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Bob. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.